Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you sell your item instead of deleting the listing? You can mark it as sold on Facebook Marketplace. This keeps your selling history clean and builds credibility with future buyers. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to mark an item as sold on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what marking as sold means. So marking an item as sold will remove it from active search, label it as sold publicly, keep your sales history visible, and improve buyer trust. So it shows you're an active and legitimate seller. Okay, so first thing you have to do is open the Facebook application and tap the marketplace icon here. So on desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now after that, tap your profile icon here, okay, and select your listings. Tap here. You will see all active listings, okay. It should be here. So let's create a new one to make an example of it. Now tap the listing you sold, okay. So this, for example, let's say that this is sold, okay. So tap the three dots, okay. No, the three dots here. And you will see some options here. As you can see, view listing, delete listing, edit listing, mark as a sold, mark as pending, boost listing, and share listing. Okay, so this as you can see, we have many options. Tap mark as sold, okay, this one. So the listing now, as you can see, choose yes sold on Facebook, for example. Yeah, how much, for example, submit, and the listing now shows sold, okay, and it disappears from active listings, so buyers can still view it but cannot purchase. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.